In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the project name, project key, and other details in Jira. Whether you're refining an existing project or simply need to update some of the project specifics, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth transition. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're looking to edit. Once you've located it, look over to the sidebar and select the project settings. This is your main hub for managing all sorts of details related to your project, and it forms the foundation for the changes we're about to make. Once you're within the project settings, the next step is to click on the Details tab. This is where you have access to various fields that you can edit, providing flexibility in how your project is defined and managed. It's important to be precise here, as these details not only help with internal organization, but can also impact how your project is viewed by others on your team. Now let's focus on changing the project name. Locate the Name field within the Details tab. Simply click on it and type in the new name you wish your project to be identified by. Having a well-thought-out project name can improve clarity and focus for the entire team. Next, we move on to the Project Key field. This is an equally important identifier in Jira. The project key appears in various parts of Jira, so make sure the key you choose is memorable and relevant. Click on the field to edit and enter your desired new project key. Remember, it's typically a good idea to keep this short and recognizable. After updating the name and project key, you may want to adjust the project's category. To do this, find the Category drop-down menu. Here you have a selection of categories, and you can choose the one that best aligns with the nature of the project. Proper categorization can help in filtering and reporting within Jira. Next on the list is updating the project lead. In the project lead drop-down, select the individual who will be responsible for steering the project to success. Make sure this person is well informed about the project's objectives and is ready to tackle upcoming challenges. Similarly, you can adjust the default assignee. This is the person who will initially be assigned new tasks for this project. Using the drop-down, select someone ideally suited to handle fresh tasks as they arise. Finally, with all your changes made, it's crucial to lock them in. Scroll down to find the Save button and click it to apply all the updates you've made. This ensures that all of your meticulous edits are reflected in Jira, giving your team the most current information to work with. And that's it. You've successfully updated your project's details in Jira. With these changes, your project should now be set up in a way that better suits your needs, helping you and your team work more effectively. Thank you for watching and happy project managing.